Hey there, it's Fresh Roof. We're diving into the top 100 questions we get asked about roof maintenance and protection for your asphalt shingle roofs. Is Fresh Roof Rejuvenation Spray eco-friendly? Yes, Fresh Roof Rejuvenation Spray is designed to be environmentally friendly. Our formulations, especially incorporating GreenSoy Technology, prioritize eco-friendly and sustainable practices. Additionally, it's worth noting that Fresh Roof is a USDA 96% bioproduct. This designation signifies a commitment to using renewable resources and further emphasizes its eco-friendly attributes. Fresh Roof's all-natural formula ensures that it will not harm pets, plants, or people. This holistic approach not only helps the environment, but also promotes a safe and healthy living environment. By choosing Fresh Roof, you're not just extending the life of your roof, you're making an environmentally conscious decision that benefits both your home and the planet.